Tiny changes build giant outcomes. You don't need a revolution, just a 1% improvement every day. Small upgrades over time lead to massive transformation. Your habits shape your identity. Want to be fit? Act like someone who never skips a workout. Change who you are, one action at a time. Forget goals. Build systems. Goals set direction, but systems make progress inevitable. Focus on routines, not results. Outcomes come last. Identity comes first. Don't say, "I want to run a marathon." Say, "I'm a runner." Your self-image shapes your long-term habits. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your systems. Willpower fades, but design beats discipline. Make good choices automatic. Make habits obvious. Hide junk food, put your gym shoes by the door. Make habits attractive. Pair boring tasks with fun ones. Temptation bundling makes good behavior rewarding. Remember, small changes lead to big results. What tiny change will you make today?